We have a special occasion. It's like 10 minutes after midnight and it's her birthday. We just got back from the gym. She's about to go do laundry and I'm getting ready to get some flour. You know how we do it in Jamaica. So I'm gonna get some flour and just duck her with it.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday!
Bomba! I was just talking to your sister.
I know, I heard you. Yay! 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 I was thinking about it all day. Little ginger tea. Little ginger tea. Little ginger boy. Couldn't waste all my in-laws' flour though. Tomorrow they wake up and say, "Oh, what happened to the flour? Zenek, something Obi-wish." So you know we're packing to go 5-hour long trip. Like it's super bad right now. The weather, shit. One heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
I need some lube.
So we've arrived. We're gonna go check in, probably see what we're working with. So, Nuna with Erum Adfara. Okay, here we found it. Why is the camera like so big? Hey, stop that with your feet. Putting in the code to get in. So we're going in to find our room. Oh shit, it's like a capsule. We're gonna be living in these capsules. Like spaceship. What? Spaceship?
What do I do?
I don't know. Maybe open it?
What the? Sure. Push.
Going on YouTube to check how to open it. Alright, we're trying again, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Rocket science. Yo, this could be the solution to homelessness. Bombard. See if you can change the color. Black, gold, and green.
No.
Which planet are we going? Which planet?
Venus.
Venus, okay. Oh, now we got a nice little chilling area for the guys who like chess. Can play pool. Cause we're kind of hungry,
for
so
the
we'll
night.
get some snacks here. This lady just looking at us.
She was delivered.
She said, "Oh, that." Got some groceries. Take one of our bags in here. Coming on aboard into the spaceship is Captain Zenek. So we're gonna play some pool. She claims to teach me how to play. With her sexy legs out here. This, I'm gonna curl it like a football. Watch your skill, watch your style. And I put the spin on it and put the spin on it. Now we're gonna try this kebab place. I saw that they got some good reviews. Right, so now we're just waiting for the food. Fill our guts after that 5-hour trip. Jeez, we've been walking all day. Finally, it's kind of heavy. Let's see what it's looking like. She got cold. There's no cucumber. Oh, but it's cold now. Crispy fries. That's good. We're in the spaceship now after the food. Just want to take a nap, bro. I'm frost. Tired. We watch TV. Got a bed. So we found a bakery, about to go into the bakery and get some breakfast. So yeah, here we're at Forest Lagoon. Boo, don't record. I'm recording. Going in.
Doe je dus.
She went to her locker. I'm here. I'm gonna change and go outside. This is where she entered from. Look at her. Shipche.
Je moet op telefoon laten.
Ja? Ale ja widzę ludzi. We're skating for the biscuit. If this falls, it's done. So it's like warm water. Smaller than sky, but it's nice. Yeah, after like 30 minutes, now we're going home. It was kind of boring. Like, there's nothing to do there but sit. It's for old people. And I waited 1 hour for this girl to get out the
10 minutes.
locker. 1 hour. I got out in 1 minute.
Instead of
I sat waiting 20 minutes.
He said
I
right
sat
at
again.
the front desk.
Another
Who does that?
40
So I
minutes.
can't-
I'm like, bro.
I can't see you
Bro.
at the front desk.
Well, at the front desk, I kept getting up to check.
Yeah.
And I still ain't see 1 hour to get out the locker. Landscape. Jeez, cryo grass. Green as grass. I'm ashy dog. I'm ashy here first. Jeez, I'm serious. So here we have a lot of tourists on this side. Where's this space called?
Godafoss. The waterfall of gods.
Ginger. You think you're cute?
I am.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever been here. Once.
Are we taking a video and we're not even spin. So now we're at some Christmas house where Santa Claus supposedly lives.
No, Christmas garden.
Okay, Christmas garden. We're gonna buy some stuff.
144 days till Christmas.
Here's the house where Santa lives. Or the elves or something, I don't know. Old fashioned. Oh, going into Santa's workshop. Gonna get a gingerbread cookie, spice cookies.
Stirred cookies.
Stirred. Also, we don't want that.
Wat ik doe? Tussen with them.
What your mother want? Huh? What she want? With it in August. And she want Christmas shit.
Oh, we can sign here.
Sign your name? That you visited?
Yeah.
So we signed the book. Bought some cookies, some apricot
Syrup.
syrup thing, and some. So my friends and my hustlers, and them sitting on the hills. So my shotgun living, and if you roll with a thug. So there's a mini festival. Mini festival, got some burgers.
You can see under the tree. Sit under the tree there.
Them burgers was expensive though, without fries.
We don't know.
We got some burgers. Festival around here. Life is good. Now we're getting packing our stuff. Only us and God outside. We're gonna get some more breakfast again, but we're gonna take it to go. And surely we'll never die. And can't see a thing. We're eating chips. Drive the car.